Hey everyone, welcome to Galaxy Network. We help you grow online, smarter and faster. Today, we'll break down how to start freelancing with zero experience in 2025. Let's go. Step 1. Choose one skill. You don't need to know everything. Just pick one skill that interests you, like writing, graphic design, video editing, or even AI prompt writing. Not sure where to learn? Use free platforms like YouTube, Coursera, or Skillshare to practice daily for 30 days. Step 2. Build a simple portfolio. Even if you haven't worked for clients, create sample projects. Design 3 logos, write 2 blog articles, or edit 2 short videos. Use these samples as your portfolio. You can showcase them on Behance, Dribbble, or even Google Drive. Step 3. Create your profile on freelancing sites. Now sign up on beginner-friendly sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com. Write a simple, honest profile. Focus on your skill, your practice, and your dedication. Step 4. Apply for small jobs. Start small. Look for entry-level gigs and send custom proposals. Write clearly and be honest. Show your samples. Even one client can lead to 5 more. Step 5. Deliver and grow. Always deliver on time. Over-deliver if possible. Ask for feedback and build your rating. This is the real freelancing currency. So remember, you don't need experience to get started. You just need to start. Let me know what skill you'll learn first. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe to Galaxy Network for more freelancing and online income tips.